Now we are making fungicide, pesticide, antibiotic, and also insecticide. We are starting with rice, cooked rice. This how many kilos?
1 kilo.
This is 1 kilo of cooked rice. Now we are going to add half a kilo of yeast. Okay, now put yeast.
Yeah, this is yeast. We are going to put half kg.
This is half kg of yeast. Yes.
After that, we put 1 liter.
So we're starting with the rice, 1 kg.
1 kg.
1 kg.
Yes.
Then we put yeast, half a kilo. Then
you put 1 liter.
1 liter of that curd or yogurt. 1 liter.
1 liter.
Then another thing is molasses.
Molasses 1 liter.
Now also we add 1 liter of molasses. This is 1 liter. This is 1 kilo also. Okay. Okay. Remember, we start with rice 1 kilo. 1 kilo.
Yes.
Then yeast half a kilo, and this is molasses and 1 kilo, and also curd or yogurt 1 kilo.
Then we put water.
Now we add water. This is how to make a pesticide, insecticide, fungicide, antibiotic also, and plant nutrition. This is 5-in-1, so it's a big bomb to the farm. It helps the farm. Now we put 50 liters of water, and this is rainwater. Rainwater is the best for making this fungicide or pesticide.
Like this.
This is 20 liters of rainwater, but we need 50 liters of rainwater. Then after that, after putting 50 liters of water, we're going to ferment it for 7 days. And lifespan of this fungicide or pesticide, it is stay for almost 6 months. That is good. Our number is 0715-990-308. What's your number, Mr. Felician?
My number is 07
Yeah.
18 28 15 and 40.